ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਨਬਾਕਸਿੰਗ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ biqu B1 SE Plus। ਇਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕਰਨਾ, ਅਨਬਾਕਸਿੰਗ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਬਾਕੀ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਕੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਆ, ਕੀ ਇਹਦਾ ਖਾਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਾਣਾਂਗੇ। ਤੇ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਫਿਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਫਿਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ। we record the everything. Okay. Okay, is sample filament, some tools, cutter, snipper, zip ties, Allen keys, screw wrenches. This is a card reader and cable, an SD card and SD card adapter, a 2 GB SD card inside here. And I ordered these some extra stuff. Filament spool holder. Now it's attentions: before printing, during printing, after printing, biqu B1 SE Plus. Okay. After sale service card. Okay. After sale service card. Now here is a manual. Okay, everything is nice, good, with pictures, every kind of like labeling, 1 2 3, how we attach it. Everything with setup. Okay. Foaming. Okay, here is a glass bag. Okay, one side is glass and one side some kind of film on the glass. Okay, we do not wipe with it alcohol. Okay, please do not remove the 3D printer surface. So the glass plate below the 40 degrees Celsius. What? So it's here. No, it's nothing. And we have I'll order some separate blocks, power cable. Okay, here is a ZX gantry. This is comes with the single lead screw. I'll order the second lead screw. Here is some extra parts, screws, nozzle. There's a clips for holding a belt. and here's a ducky, and we're removing the foam. Okay, here's a scraper spatula, whatever. What is this? This film, don't know about this. Okay, so here is extruder. Here is some kind of force sensor, so measuring the bed leveling. But here's some missing some stuff. Here is a base and X gantry. Everything under this, power supply, everything. So this all I have. Missing some parts. I'm already something, and here nothing else. So here's empty. Box is empty now. Nothing here. No BL touch. No second lead screw. No PEI sheet. All I have this. So this is goes here like this. The okay, so this is unboxing. Now we set up the printer. Okay, so here's missing some parts like a second lead screw, Z lead screw, and BL touch and PEI sheet. So some parts is missing. Don't know why biqu do this, but that's not a good thing, because this means biqu didn't care about his customers. So don't know why they do this to me. Okay, I'll talk later to the biqu service. Let's see what they give me a solution. Okay, ਆਪਾਂ इंग्लिश ते पंजाबी दोनों च गल करांगे. सो व्हाट वी डू नाउ, अपन की करना वा, स्टार्ट करते हैं. टूल बॉक्स बैग. Okay, so what we are doing here, steppers, wire, Allen keys. Okay, tweezer, paper, don't know why, but okay. So here is a bed is not fully tight, and we take this spanner. Here is a wheel. Let me show you. Here's a wheel and concentric nut. अपन ये tight करना हो, tighten, but not too much. हल्का हल्का tight करना हो ताकि व्हील फ्रीली घूमना चाहिए वा पर जी वॉबलिंग है वो बंद हो जाए। It's okay. Okay, that is perfect now. And one thing more, please do not do this forcefully because it's blinking here. So the DC motor generate a power when we rotate it forcefully. So ध्यान रखना मैं क्या पहनूं forcefully. Okay, so here's some kind of okay. So that means ये मतलब ये है कि कुछ problem है. Okay, so forget to see. Here's some kind of damage here. Like here. And second thing, full gantry. Here's x-axis, y-axis motor, and the Z motor, second lead screw. I'll order this second lead screw here as a first. So I'm not receiving it. When I receive it, I'll make another video. So like this is extruder mount. We place it here, like to the display side. This face is a 2020 profile. We place this here. Like this. Okay, so and we need spare parts. And the long bolt. One goes here, the long one. Other side. And need some small screws. Okay, tighten the screw and came back. Okay, what we do here, ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਆ ਸਕਰੂ ਟਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਰੇ ਔਰ ਦੋ ਆਹ ਇੱਕ ਆ ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਧਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਆ ਚਾਰ ਸਕਰੂ, this one and the other side same, this one, this one, this one and this one and this one. Okay, so when we receive a second lead screw we have to change this bracket like this one. So here we goes, here's a we mount extruder here and here is everything. So here is extruder mount like this and add a screw, one here, one here, one here, one here and one here. And here is a screw for the extruder. The problem is this bracket here is bended, bend हो चुकी है, इस करके स्क्रू थिक करने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है. देखिए डैमेज मे बी PCB ਨੂੰ डैमेज ना करता होवे ने अंदर पता नहीं, बट इनू सीधा करना पैना हुण तां चलूगी ये. Okay, so we add a screw one here, screw for upside and one for the here downside. Okay, so now we attach Borden tube to here, and first we remove this plastic part. Sorry for the angle. Okay, we are adding this Borden tube here and tighten them. Okay, not too much tight, but okay, so nice fit. Okay, so here is, after that we are attaching these wires to the other motors and accessories. Okay, so got this zip tie. And this plug for extruder. Here, click it, and this wire for Z screw, Z motor here, and this wire for X motor, okay, goes here. This is for extruder, one for E sign, the X sign, and this is for filament detection, FLD, and this is for X limit switch, goes here. So everything is attached. Okay, so what we do here, we are attaching some zip ties here all the way go back. So you know, okay, we need this much wire. So we add the zip tie and hold it. Okay, so this wire is okay. Now we are adding this spool holder, the top, like place here and tighten down. This one goes here. So here we are attaching the filament holder like here. Okay, so here's we attach the extruder cable like this. Just come here, like place it and push it, like this lock is holding the cable. Okay, so lock ਦੇ ਨਾਲ holding ਹੋ ਜੂਗੀ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ FLD filament detection X2 limit switch and X entry movement and the other is E is extruder. And here's a Z for the motor, Z motor. Okay, everything wires up like all the way back, and we are tightening the cable here, so for no moving, no extra, no hitting to the bed. After that we are placing this bed goes here like this. Okay, so we need clips here. And finding the clips here. This one just remove this speaker and the sheet is upside. Clip goes here and one goes here. Wait, let me install it first, then I'll show you. Okay. One for here and one for here. So here is display. Okay, so power cable goes here. On off switch, the one is on, zero is off. Okay, so let me give me a power and on it. And okay, so printer is assembled and like turn on me and turn it on. Okay, so is something I'm turn everything on, but no power in display. Okay, here is on, the printer is on, here is a light, it is 310, 310, 340 is a dimension for the building build. Okay, so here's something weird. but this thing is giving a power to the display, but it's not on. I don't know why. Maybe something like if we do this is giving a power, but no power from. Okay, so figured it out. Don't know what's the problem. So here's a fully assembled. Like now I'm stuck with the biqu. It's not working. Don't know why, but let me turn it off and on again. Nothing here. But when I sliding the motors, it's blinking, but power, nope, it's not working right now. I don't know why, but here is assembly video. Next video, let me see, check it first why it's not turning on. I disappoint from biqu because my order is not complete and the printer is not working now. ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ, ਇਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ। ਪਾਵਰ ਵੀ ਆ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੀ biqu ਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਆਰਡਰ ਪੂਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ। ਮੇਰੇ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਲੀਡ ਸਕਰੂ ਮਿਸ ਆ, PEI ਸ਼ੀਟ ਮੰਗਾਈ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਿਸ ਆ, ਤੇ ਦੂਸਰਾ BL ਟੱਚ ਵੀ ਮਿਸ ਆ। ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਵਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟਰ ਔਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ। ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲਦਾ biqu ਤੋਂ। ਆਈ ਐਮ ਡਿਸਅਪਾਇੰਟ ਫਰੋਮ biqu।